What up, though?
What up, baby?
You already know we out here, hard hitters, you know what I'm saying, doing this car wash. We are at AutoZone, Pioneer Parkway, across the street from Kroger, Plaza 303, over here in GP. Big Joe's holding the sign, you know what I'm talking about? Gucci's holding the sign, you know what I'm talking about? We ain't got not one. Oh, well, we do got a car already. I guess I need to go over there and help out. I need to go help out with the cars. I didn't know they had a customer already. Get over there and get to the customers, you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, let's go over and get some footage with them washing the cars. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, so pull up on the side over here towards the back and get you knocked out. You know what I'm talking about? Get your car clean. We're getting it ready for the 2022, you know what I'm talking about, season. You know what I'm saying? Just raising some funds. You know, the parking spots is like $275. We're gonna need about 5 of them. So you know what I'm talking about? We're gonna spend about a G just on parking spots. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. This is what it's going to. You know what I'm talking about? If y'all ever come out and tailgated with the hard hitters, you know what I'm talking about? Y'all know we have a good time. But yeah, it's a lot of work and it costs a lot of money. Look at Texas Made getting that. I ain't judging you. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna get my other the phone so I can get in and help them out with this. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you got to use 2 of them. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you got 2 phones.
Is this on video?
Yeah, it's on TikTok.
So we're out here at the AutoZone in Grand Prairie. Hittahz getting it in for the car wash. Let's get it. No off season. Cowboy Nation. Let's go.
Did you bring the brush for the tires? No.
We got one tall person that can reach the top of trucks.
That's why I asked anybody on that side.
I thought you said you could get the top. I was like, no, I'm kind of short, kid.
All right.
Yeah, let's walk out.
Mm.
At the car wash.
Hello, everybody that has joined. So this is the Hard Hittahz car wash in Grand Prairie, Texas, because there is no off season in Cowboy Nation. So if you need your car washed, come on down to the AutoZone. Starboy, where are we exactly?
Pioneer Parkway.
Pioneer Parkway in the AutoZone.
Across the street from Kroger at Plaza 303.
So if you're nearby, come down to the car wash. We definitely need some girls in bikinis. Yes, we do. You won't catch me in a bikini, but I'm sure one of these girls will put on one. Texas Maid, you gonna put on a bikini? There you go. There's one for you.
Free car wash, free car wash, free car. Not free.
Only David would come rolling through here like that. What we need is some guys in bikinis. Starboy, you gonna put on a bikini? Good job, team. Good job, team. One car down. Many to go.
Thank you, thank you. All right, we got the first car done. You know what I'm talking about? Who next? Who next? Who next? Who next? You know what I'm talking about? Them girls in bikinis? No. You wish. Actually, I did try to get this girl that was working at Twin Peaks yesterday. Told her to come out. Said come out in your uniform. You know what I'm talking about? Get some car washes for us. But nah, she ain't coming. She said she's not a morning person. I said, me neither. Hey, you guys show some more leg or something. Y'all ain't getting enough traffic. Y'all gotta show some leg or something. Y'all ain't got enough traffic. I mean, Speedy gotta work. I'm gonna get some breakfast in a minute, shoot.
Where?
I don't know. My stomach growling like a mom. You know what I'm
The
talking
only
about?
place I see is that Dunkin' Donuts.
I don't know damn donuts.
Oh, there it is right there. What? The Mexican spot right there.
Ooh, there's the tacos.
Yep.
I got Williams chicken, shit, huh? Now you gonna open you up a bit.
What you say? It was chicken.
Nah, I want no chicken.
Probably
It
open
wasn't
at-
chicken.
I really
chicken
want
spot
some
probably open at 11, right?
breakfast taco up in this mother. You know what I'm talking about? Get some. Why don't you bring some Revels, whatever? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah,
Hey man,
Rancheros.
if y'all would have told me I had a brand new stick, I would have made it. I I ain't got a problem.
I'm hungry. Nigga. Some. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Across the street from Kroger. Over here in GP. You know what I'm talking about? The AutoZone. Car wash. First happy customer gone. Finna get a couple more. Maybe, I don't know. Joe holding the sign, we can't even read it, so I don't know.
No, I'm not.
Hold it flat. Don't hold it at an angle.
Like this.
Yeah, flat. It was supposed to they can see you hold it up in the sky. They gotta be able to semi to see the sign.
All right, my bad.
It's like, I don't know, some guy was holding the sign. I don't know what it said, but he was waving the hell out of it, I'll tell you that much though. Oh.
Hey man, there's a bunch of chicken places over here. I saw a bunch of them over here. I saw a whole bunch.
Yeah, it's just now starting to get crack-a-lack. You're talking about it's early in the morning. You're talking about, huh?
The girl passed by, she's all like,
Wiping her mouth. She left a little something from last night. Left a little something from last night. You know what I'm saying? She has to get it off. Let me get back over here with the girls. Let's see if I can get some music going over here, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if I gotta find a plug. How about it? That way. Shut them down. Virgolicious. Just got here. Shut them down. What up, though?
Oh, I hit somebody.
Come on, bro. Yeah.
Hey,
There we
I'm
go.
gonna go to Kroger's and get to my cooler and get give me a pack.
And some breakfast. What is this? Oh, God. I got it. Let's see if this plug work over here. Get some music going. Working at the car. Y'all don't like y'all working very hard. At the car wash. Oh, this is a plug right there. Let me see if it works. All right, well, y'all know where we at, man. Y'all come see us, you know what I'm talking about. Support the cause, you know what I'm saying. Get ready for the 2022 season, you know what I'm talking about. It is coming, you know what I'm saying.